where is it?
Where are you?
Sweetie!
You want to sweetie?
Where's Charnelle?
Excuse, I just know so.
Alright, yeah, so I'm coming here for my money.
Which money are you talking about?
You don't remember yesterday?
The Pepsi, my beg you, brother, you come all the way and me out for the $100. My you, the boy, come for $100. What can I get? Back to you, the $100. The Pepsi, but he's a father. You see what me have to deal with? And you come on me yard about $100. I have bigger problems.
Bigger problems? Girl, more my money.
Little girl, you see how far you make me walk to come collect my money?
don't
You don't bother worry about which part I live. I want my money. I come here to collect my money. So can I please have back my money? You must have brass. Alright. Transfer it to my account.
I honestly never planned for babysit nobody pick me today. But it's easy money, so why not?
You see, my last job interview was awful.
Hello, is this Anthony Tracey?
The one and only.
Thank you for your time, sir. I see that you're applying for one of our work-from-home positions.
Yup.
Lovely. Could you stand up and tell me why do you want this job?
Stand up in the figurative sense or the physical sense?
What? Please stand up.
I applied for this job because I like money.
Good day, guys. My name is Anthony Tracey.
Children without discipline are terrorists. Alright? So it's important to make them know say you're no idiot.
Boy, come on with the phone and hear me talk. So yeah, I'm a nice person.
You have to set boundaries and let them know who's in charge.
And we're not gonna have no problem. 1, 2, 3. Hear me, sir. I have some questions for you, and you better get them right. You see, if you get them wrong, I'm going to box you down. You hear me, sir? You hear me, sir, little boy?
Yeah.
What is 6 times 6?
36.
List 3 excretory organs.
Skin, lungs, and kidney.
You don't have mouth.
Skin, lungs, and kidney.
Spell vacuum.
VACUUM.
What is the square root of 657?
25.63.
Alright. I'm impressed.
You did expect nothing better, and me and them sister, you know?
Charnelle, alright, I want you to pay attention, right? So if somebody give me 2 red stripe beer, right? 2 red stripe beer. And then a next person give me 1 more red stripe beer. How much red stripe beer am I having now?
Dumb, no must one.
Alright, break time. We could just call it a break for the day. You have my money, right?
No. After not teach me now.
Girl, you're done. Tapping eyes.
Guys, I just got my grad pics. Look at me.
That look nice, see?
You look good though. Thank you.
Can we get your number, please?
Find some book for the 2 hours to read.
What them you many comic books?
Look here, I want to tap it nice and I want to read the book them. And I want a 5-page essay for each of those books.
What that? I thought that over there.
Look here, I'm not in a bag of talking with you, you know. Write the something them and stop give me chat.
What do I write with?
Yo. The music video come from BET now, yo.
I thought that boring.
As you all are aware, I'm an acclaimed but very underrated musician.
I am a sinner who's probably gonna sin again. Bombay pan floor against wall. Resex them all to them wall. And the girls them sugar that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall.
My first music video I got it on BET. I know people don't really to watch BET like one time, but this is still a huge accomplishment for me. Honestly, give me about 3 more years and I'm gonna have a Grammy.
So tired.
Yo, Green.
Yeah. So. It's on fire like a mason. Now yo op they live adjacent. Man, this beat is so amazing. Like the tree right here, I'm uptown, beat a nation. Bullets raging, shit a raging. Wear some babe and then they praise you. Shoot your shit like you Joe Frazier. Nike Tech, another layer. Shoot them tech, then shoot the layers. Got your savior, saying prayers. Saying prayers. Hold up.
Classic.
So hold on, so hold on. My music video never shot.
No, it didn't. Yeah, it did.
Wait a second,
It didn't.
Wait a second, boy. All my music video. You better say it good.
What's going on here?
Read the book, boy, and stop doing chat.
Go play a game.
Read the book, little boy.
I bet you can drink up that in 10 seconds.
Wait a second, you know what they used to call me in high school? Anthony Rum Tracey.
Everybody used to call it
Don't be nice, man. Alright, so I'm gonna ask you guys some questions, some difficult questions. And for each question you guys get right, I'm gonna take a shot. Okay? Deal? Alright. What's the highest mountain in Jamaica?
Blue Mountain.
Okay. What's the longest river in the world?
River Nile.
Okay, you're smart.
How me can this wake up that boy?
Right now, I stress out bad. I lose the 2 pitney them. And my good life, I give back the people and back them money.
Hello, I'd like to report 2 missing kids. What do you mean you're off duty? So I answer the phone. She hung up on me. Is this really a good time to be drinking?
Is this a good time to be drinking? But be nice, man. Sure. Just me lose the pitney them and me stress out. So if I want to drink, me will drink my drink. People look up to me as, Mr. Responsible, the guy that has it together.
I promise you, nobody sees you like that.
Hey guys, I'm here to pick up my brothers. Where are they?
You tell him.
In runway?
Yes.
That's up enough time.
Enough time?
We not have any sweetie?
foolish is this? We need a bag of sweetie for.
Watch your style, yeah.
I couldn't believe it. Watch me and them. Watch me and no.